Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between the Earth and the Sun, blocking all or part of the Sun's light from reaching the Earth. This can only happen during a new moon phase when the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun. Here's how it works. Alignment. For a solar eclipse to occur, the Sun, Moon, and Earth must be in a straight line, or nearly straight. This alignment is known as syzygy. Types of solar eclipses. Total solar eclipse. 1. This happens when the moon completely covers the Sun as seen from a specific location on Earth. 1. The path of totality is a narrow band where this can be observed. 1. Observers within this path experience darkness during the day for a short period, ranging from a few seconds to several minutes. 2. During totality, the Sun's corona, the outer atmosphere, becomes visible, appearing as a halo of light around the moon. Partial solar eclipse. 1. In this case, only a part of the Sun is obscured by the moon. 1. This occurs when the observer is outside the path of totality but still within the broader region where the moon casts a shadow on the Earth. 2. Observers will see a crescent-shaped Sun, with a portion appearing darkened. Annular solar eclipse. 1. This occurs when the moon is at its farthest point from Earth, apogee, and appears smaller than the Sun. 1. As a result, when it passes in front of the Sun, it does not completely cover it, leading to a ring-like appearance, often called the ring of fire. 2. This type of eclipse can be seen along a narrow path, similar to a total eclipse. Eclipse shadows. 1. The moon casts two types of shadows on Earth during a solar eclipse: umbra, the darkest part of the shadow, where a total eclipse occurs; penumbra, the lighter, outer part of the shadow, where a partial eclipse is observed. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes directly between the Sun and the Moon, causing the Earth's shadow to fall on the Moon. This can only happen during a full moon phase when the Moon is on the opposite side of the Earth from the Sun. Here's how it works. Alignment. For a lunar eclipse to occur, the Sun, Earth, and Moon must also be in a straight line, with the Earth positioned between the Sun and the Moon. Types of lunar eclipses. 1. Total lunar eclipse. In this type, the entire moon passes through the Earth's umbra, the darkest part of its shadow. As the moon moves into the umbra, it may take on a reddish hue due to Rayleigh scattering of sunlight through the Earth's atmosphere, giving rise to the term blood moon. The duration of a total lunar eclipse can last several hours, with totality lasting up to an hour or more. 2. Partial lunar eclipse. Here, only a portion of the moon enters the Earth's umbra, while the rest remains illuminated by direct sunlight. This results in part of the moon appearing darkened while the other part remains bright. 3. Penumbral lunar eclipse. This type occurs when the moon passes through the Earth's penumbra, the lighter outer part of its shadow. The shading is subtle and may be hard to notice. The entire moon may appear slightly dimmer but does not take on a reddish color as in a total eclipse. Eclipse shadows. 1. The Earth also casts two types of shadows on the moon: umbra, the darkest part of the shadow, resulting in totality during a total lunar eclipse; penumbra, the lighter, outer part of the shadow, resulting in the subtle shading seen during a penumbral eclipse. Additional facts. Frequency. Solar eclipses occur about 2 to 5 times a year, while lunar eclipses can occur up to 3 times a year. However, not every eclipse is visible from every location on Earth. Duration. Solar eclipses are relatively short events, with total eclipses lasting only a few minutes at any given location. Lunar eclipses can last for several hours, with totality lasting up to 1 hour and 40 minutes. Viewing safety. It is crucial to never look directly at the Sun during a solar eclipse without proper eye protection, as it can cause serious eye damage. Solar viewing glasses or solar filters are necessary to safely observe the event. In summary, solar and lunar eclipses are fascinating celestial events that result from the alignment of the Earth, Moon, and Sun, each creating unique visual phenomena that have captivated humans for centuries.